This is the unboxing video of my DELL Latitude 5420. It was released 2021, I think. So I bought this. It's a refurbished laptop. So I bought it for more than 200 euro here in France. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. So it's with the 8 GB of RAM. Yes, memory RAM, and 256 of storage. SSD storage with Windows 11, I think. Yes. So how? Okay. That. I bought it in backmarket.fr, which you can buy a lot of second-hand electronics components like laptop, cameras, TVs, game console, etc. Hard to open. Voila. So here she is. Back market. Yes. With the power supply, the charger. This is USB-C charger. So where is it? This one. Look. And then here she is. Okay, let's put this aside. So here she is. Voila, here she is. It's a glossy silver. It's plastic. Latitude 5420. Some scratches here. Like I said, it's a second hand with the internet port here. HDMI, USB 0.2, this one, and this is USB-C port, and this, I think this is the port to charge the laptop here. And then I think this is the speaker or the air vent. And here the rubber here, rubber. This is the speaker, and this is the air vent. And also here, look, it's very light. I think it's more than 1 kilo. And so let's check. Voila, here she is. Look. It's clean here, no scratches. And one thing I want to this the Latitude is with the camera door here. Look, you can close it. Look, look. With DELL here, logo here. Intel Core i5. This is Intel Core i5 11th generation. Nice. So let's open. Let's see. Yes, it's open. It's with the lights here. I think this is I think we need to charge it. Voila. DELL. Bienvenue. Yes, it's 11. It's Windows 11 because it's the all the reset button is in the reset logo is in the middle. It's 11, Windows 11. So I want to settings, Windows update. Oh, we need to connect to our internet. So guys, I want to set up this laptop, and after I show you how it works. So hello guys, I'm back. I finished set up my my laptop. Look, it's very smooth. Wow.
Screams ring out at this school playground as children take shelter while an earthquake shakes.
Yes, the sound is good. It's very fast. It's a 1080p display. Not bad. Look. Wow. So like I said, I bought it for I think 219 euro. So it's worth it to buy this laptop in 2026. Look, it's a good condition. The back. The touchpad is very responsive. All the keys, I tested all the keys, it's all responsive. It's good. I don't know if it's the original keyboard because it's look new. Like I said, it's refurbished. Maybe they replaced all the keypad here. Keyboard. Wow. It's good. This is with the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So I will next time I will change the I will upgrade it with 1 TB of storage, and I think 16 GB of RAM. It's okay for editing videos. So we will see if it's working well for editing music and videos. So, and this is the unboxing of my laptop, a refurbished 54 Dell Latitude 5420. It's 5 years old now. So thank you very much. Please subscribe. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.